Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the tax rate of the Accountit application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Go to your home page and then tap on the settings option in the upper left corner of the screen. Then scroll down and click on the tax rate section. Here you can find it, so tap on it, this white box, and now it is set to 0%. So delete it and type in your own tax rate. As you tap on this settings button at the top, you will be able to see that it has been updated automatically. So now you can check it out whether it has been changed. Feel free to edit it anytime you want to by going back to this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.